Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to enable or disable remote desktop connections in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Remote desktop allows you to remotely access and control your Windows 10 PC from another device, as if you were physically present. This feature is useful for remote work, troubleshooting, and managing systems. However, enabling it opens a network port, so it should be used cautiously in trusted environments. How to enable or disable remote desktop in Windows 10? Using Settings, open Settings, Windows key +I. Go to System, then Remote Desktop. Toggle Remote Desktop on or off. If enabling, ensure network level authentication, (NLA) is checked for security. Click Confirm to apply changes. Using Command Prompt or PowerShell, enable. Disable. Difference between remote desktop and remote assistance. While both use RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol, they serve different purposes. Remote desktop allows full control over a remote PC, logging in as if you were physically present. Best for remote work or server management. Remote assistance lets a helper view and assist with troubleshooting but requires permission from the user. Ideal for tech support or helping friends. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.